Hello, my friends, and welcome back. So today I finally have some time to share with you a tour of the new house that my family and I have just moved into. We've been here about 6 days, and I have been vigorously unpacking and trying to sort through things. So now I kind of feel like I'm at a place where you can see the house and I'm not stepping over boxes completely all the time. There's still some areas in the house where it's like that, but for the most part, the main areas of the house are pretty much unpacked. So I thought today would be an absolutely wonderful day to finally share with you guys a little tour of the house. I hope you guys are excited to see it because I am super excited to show it off because I'm in love with this house. I think it is so awesome and I can't wait to share it with you. So let's go ahead and jump right into the tour. Oh, there's a Rima. Hi, Rima. So here we are right inside the front door. We've got the nice little starting hallway with a little light fixture up top and an overlook up top. And then right to the right is my office area. Front facing windows. The wall treatment was on the wall. Look at the chandelier. Isn't that pretty? I like that. I'll probably keep the wall treatment, and then as you can see, I do not have any unpacking done in here. That's a project for later today. We got a little hall closet, and then we followed the hall down into the main part of the house. This little area right here is where I think originally the dining room was, but we're going to just use it as a little bonus area. And I just threw some furniture in there. I'm not sure where everything's going to go at this point. Then over here we have the living room, which spans. See if I can get a better view. The windows are hard. There we go. So there is a view of the living area space. And then next to that is this space right here, which is got a chandelier. And then we have our kitchen table set up there, and then that leads to the kitchen itself, which looks like this. I really like the kitchen. I think it's really pretty. So that's the kitchen, and then there is a pantry in there, and then this back hallway straight ahead there is a small bathroom, as you can see, and then the laundry room, which you can see has got a lot of my decor. I basically have not unpacked any of that yet. And then we've got a little hallway leading to the garage door. Off that is a mudroom. This I unpacked this morning. I don't have the coats in here yet, but nice big space. And then over on the other side is this built-in little hooks with a bench below it, which is super nice. And then, of course, the door to the garage. Then, of course, there is a backyard, which I'm super excited about, that it has a steps that goes downstairs, so I can let Rama outside. There she goes. From up here, and she can go down the steps over there. Nice big deck, and then I'll show you the backyard too. Oh, I got a couple garden beds down there that I can work with. Of course, I'll probably add some more. Rama likes it out here. Come on, Rama. Alright, now that Rama's in, you can see from this angle a little better the steps that lead upstairs. And then this little door right here is the door to downstairs. So we'll go down there first. So down here, the lights aren't on. But first, let me see if I can find the lights. There we go. This little first area off to the right, got some storage there, furnace room. And then we got this little nook here. That's going to be like our little exercise area. And then over on the other side of this little half wall is Zoe's little computer nook. She's got some setting up to do still, but she stole the couch from the old basement of the other house, and she's got her computer set up over there, which she's very happy about. And then we have this space over here, which is a big, large, open room at the moment. This side will be the entertainment center, couch. This side, I'm hoping to get a ping pong table. So this is a nice big room. And then there is this little area over here. We've got a small room right in here, which is an office. This is, whose is this? This is Jasmine's area. So she's got that area there for her office. And then there is a large bathroom down here as well, with a shower. And then in this room is my husband's office, but he's on a call right now, so we will not show you that. All right, so let's go ahead and go back upstairs, and I'll show you the upper floor. So here we are upstairs at the top of the steps. To the left is bedrooms. We have this little bonus area room here, which was kind of set up as a little hangout spot, TV and a lounging area. And then that bedroom is Zoe's. And there is a linen closet. We got Joe's room in there, Jasmine's room in there. And then down this hallway is the master bedroom. This has a walk-in closet. And then here's the master room. Raymond's ready for a nap. And then the bathroom. It looks like this. Got the big tub and the shower. So I haven't really arranged the furniture here in my bedroom yet, but Raymond thinks it's still pretty cozy either way, huh, Raymond? Do you like the new house, huh? Yeah? All right, so that is pretty much the new house. So I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. I cannot wait to get completely unpacked and get myself organized and to start decorating. You guys, I have so many ideas. I lay in bed at night thinking of ways to decorate this house. It is a problem, and I just need to start decorating something so I can kind of get it out of my system and actually get some sleep. So anyways, and I'm also hoping that next week I will be back to my regular schedule of YouTubing with at least 2 videos per week. Of course, Thrift Store Thursday, and then some other kind of decorating or DIY projects. That is what I hope to get into. That is if I can really buckle down this week and get everything unpacked. So we shall see, but I'll for sure we'll start Thrift Store Thursdays again next week because I have a really big hankering to go thrifting and antiquing. So I'm thinking I might do a shop with me video next week of me going to the antique store because I think that would be kind of fun. So we shall see, we shall see. But thank you guys for stopping by today. I would love to know what you think of the new house down in the comments, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye now.